Urgency is the atmosphere that has been created and spoken about as the Tiger Cats return to play from a bye week. Regardless of their 0-2 record, all signs are pointing to a mindset that the Tiger Cats expect to beat the 3-0 Montreal Alouettes.
Heave one near sideline, and it is intercepted! Turnover for the Tiger Cats. Jamal Peters, 3rd and goal from the 1. Bo Levi has it, looks, lofts one, far side, caught, touchdown! Touchdown Cats, Kenny Lawler!
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Bethel Thompson over the middle, it's intercepted at the 35. It's the Goose, he's loose at the 20, 10, 5, touchdown! Touchdown Cats, Devin Varasek! Looks, tosses, touchdown, caught, touchdown! Touchdown Cats, Tim White! Snapback is fumbled, and it is in the end zone for a Tiger Cats defensive score! Can you believe it, Julian Hauser? Oh my! It's going to be victory number 1 for the Tiger Cats, and a well-deserved victory at that. Hey, let's go!